Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook angel hair rice noodles. First, choose a large pot. One with at least a 4-quart capacity works well for a typical 8-ounce package of noodles. Fill the pot with plenty of water, leaving about 2 inches of space from the rim. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat, as this intense heat helps cook the noodles quickly and evenly. A strong boil ensures the noodles separate nicely. Once your water is at a vigorous, rolling boil, carefully add the dried angel hair rice noodles. Submerge them completely and immediately give them a gentle stir with a pair of tongs or a wooden spoon. These delicate noodles cook incredibly fast, often taking only about 30 to 60 seconds, so stay close. You want them just tender, but still firm, not mushy. Overcooking can make them sticky and difficult to manage. As soon as your noodles reach that perfect al dente texture, quickly transfer them to a colander in the sink. Immediately rinse them under cold tap water for about 1 minute, gently separating the strands with your fingers or tongs. This critical step halts the cooking process, preventing them from becoming soggy, and washes away extra starch, which causes stickiness. Cold rinsing ensures they remain separate and firm, ready for your dish. After rinsing, gently shake the colander to remove as much excess water as possible. Then, transfer the noodles to a large mixing bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of a neutral flavored oil, such as sesame or a light vegetable oil, and gently toss. This light coating is essential. It creates a barrier between the delicate noodle strands, preventing them from clumping together as they cool. They will stay perfectly separated for your dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.